Good medical morning. This is Watson with another eye-popping and pimple-popping medical video. Today's topic has to do with the once great YouTube pages that have fallen to the wayside thanks to a push for PG content and corporate sites. Let's start with number 5, Russ Hamstring. He's the man we term the King of Grease. Russ was YouTube's original microscope pimple popper. Maybe he wasn't as physically attractive as Dr. Sanjali or Dr. Mike. Russ had some of the deepest and most fluid-filled pores on the planet. Sadly, something happened and many of his channels were deleted and demonetized. Only a few videos remain of this pioneer of popping. Next, the Karma Blackhead channel. Karma was one of YouTube's fastest growing acne channels with cysts, pimples, and a variety of medical videos, but it was removed overnight. Sources cited a lack of educational content on the channel as a reason. What do you think, folks? Do you long for popping sites like the Karma channel? Number 3, George and Joy. George and Joy were the top poppers in the great state of Florida. Here's a look at some of their content. However, their channel was also deleted overnight. What do you think happened? Why did a site like this get deleted so quickly? Should folks like George and Joy be popping pimples online again? Number 4, Dr. ER. Okay, this one may be controversial. We are huge fans of Dr. ER, but he's had to switch to a PG format to be more advertiser friendly. Long gone are the days of regular emergency room procedures. Now most of his videos are about his kids or his daily life. We still support Dr. ER, but it is a shame that censorship has got the best of him. And finally, Josefa Reina. Josefa was one of YouTube's top poppers of all time. She was a blackhead queen for sure, but as ad revenue dropped, her desire to post new videos did as well. What do you think, folks? Should Josefa start posting daily videos again? Leave her a comment below telling her how much you miss her amazing channel. Thanks again for watching our little medical channel. We post new videos every Monday, so please support our channel by subscribing and clicking the notification bell. We don't make any ad revenue, so all our videos are solely because we love our fans. That's you. Every bit of support is appreciated. Now, let's check up on Gabby. This is Gabby's testimonial after 1 year on Thynergy.
Hi guys, it's Gabby again. I've been using Thynergy for about a year now. I love the product. It really helps me stay awake during the day and also helps with the cravings that I might get during the middle of the day. It's helped me keep the weight off and I love it. So I definitely recommend this product. Go out and try Thynergy today.
Wow, looking great, Gabby. Way to keep those pounds off. She dropped 20 pounds and kept it off with Thynergy. If you want to boost your energy and curb your cravings, check out Thynergy today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.